Yo, what's up, guys? It's boy Tony back again. You already know it, and if you ain't know it, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. So, a lot of y'all wondering how much do I charge for the big water slide? All right, last year, I'm gonna tell you how much we was charging last year, and what we gonna change this year. Last year, we was charging 400. Yeah, $400. When I first started the business, we was charging only $300. We wasn't making no money. I thought it was a lot of money. It wasn't money. Because with two bouncers, the two combos, I was making that real quick. And with the big water slide, it was a lot of work. It's a lot of work involved, guys. So 300 wasn't even cutting it. It was not enough. So I thought maybe 400 was gonna be enough, it was gonna be good. It was still a lot of work. That big water slide, guys, the double lane is heavy, guys. Just imagine. It's nothing but commercial vinyl. High quality commercial vinyl. That's from that water slide is from Ten Table. TenTable.com. It's no joke. It's heavy. So this year, guys, I said, you know what? We're gonna do 500. 500. I'm not gonna break my back. $500. Rents out on Saturday, 500. Rents out on Sunday, another 500. And that right there is gonna bring me my $1,000 in 2 days. 2-day rental for $1,000. You make $1,000 for 2 rentals, guys. That's how we gonna do it. That's how we gonna rock and roll. All right. Now, you gonna think you might be thinking, oh, people is not gonna spend $500. People are look, when it's hot outside, nobody wants to be inside the house. They're gonna spend that $500. And the reason I say that is because I'm always experimenting the prices. So I said, okay, I'm just gonna throw out 500 and see what happens. Bam, 2 bookings already. 2 bookings already, guys. Because this is going to be a big event. It's gonna be a big event in the backyard. And still, guys, I still think 500 is not enough. But I'm not gonna be greedy, guys. We're gonna experiment this $500. All right. Last year, like I said, we was doing $400. This year, we're gonna do 500 again. We're gonna do 500 instead of 400. Ooh, that's a spider, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it. Come on, good, go. Oh, shit! I ain't got time to play with no spiders, guys. But yeah, that's what the sun, guys. But I'm right here at the warehouse, guys. I'm finna do another video for y'all, guys. I'm finna do a review for the new water slide that I got. So make sure to watch that video, guys. All right. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna start charging 500. Comment below, guys. This sun right here, guys. Let me see. I hope that spider don't bite me, because I don't want to be no spider, man. All right. So, all right, paranoid. So comment below, guys. Let me know how much y'all charge for big water slides like that. I know some place might be charging maybe like 600, I guess, but 500, I think that's good. That's good. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned. I'm gonna keep you updated on the other water slides, what other prices I'm also doing for those water slides. I changed a lot of things this year, guys. I saw what the business can do. I saw the potential. Still paranoid. I saw the potential on this business, guys. And let me tell you right now, the business has potential. All right. Now, right here in my area, I have the potential, because I'm not gonna say there's not enough competition. There is competition. There's a lot of people getting into the business. All right. But it's not crazy like like maybe Texas or Cali, because I've been hearing from all the people, from all the subscribers, saying that there are places where there's so much competition. And when you have so much competition, you got to come out with the strategies. You got to come out with the strategies, guys. You know, it's just like McDonald's and Burger King. They always have competition, guys. It's always competition, but they always throwing out different kind of offers, limited time offer. You want to make sure you convince your customer to come back to you. You have to be really, really, really detailed what you offering. You have to put some time, you know, instead of watching Netflix, go to your office, create some type of create an idea of how can I bring more customers. And I'm gonna give you one hint. Okay? Sometimes you have to sacrifice just little so you can bring those customers. For example, guys, one of my ideas that I'm thinking about doing for these Easter specials is I'm gonna offer maybe 5 or 10 bags of cotton candy. That's what I'm gonna offer. Since my sister, she's into that type of business where she ships out a lot of orders of cotton candy. I know y'all probably seen those old videos where she was still doing it. Well, she's still doing it. Every day she's on that cotton candy machine. She even bought a brand new one, and she's always she getting orders and orders. And I was thinking, well, I can pay her, you know, and she getting work, I'm getting work, everybody getting work, everybody getting money. So if I can offer maybe 5 or 10 bags and put it like, rent this bouncer, get 10 bags free cotton candy, bam, you just sold the customer right there. The customer is looking for something special. You want to make your customer feel special, guys. You don't even have to be cotton candy, guys, really. That's just an idea. It's not an official idea that I said, oh, okay, I'm gonna do it. But that's what I was thinking. If not, I can offer some Easter something. There's always a season for everything, guys. You just gotta come up. You gotta be creative. Come up with an idea how to bring your customers. Like I said, same thing like McDonald's. They offering an extra set of fries or another, or buy 2 for $5, that 2 for $5 meal. You know, they are, like I said, McDonald's, Burger King, and all these fast food restaurants always competing, guys. So don't worry about the competition, guys. You just have to know how to target your customer, guys. That's all it is. Don't give up. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this new water slide out the warehouse, air it up, and stay tuned for that video, guys, because I don't even know how it looks like, so I really can't wait. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna air it up. Stay tuned. I'm gonna review that water slide, and then I'll be doing another video, and the other video is gonna be about the Ninja bounce house. All right, so stay tuned. It's your boy Tony. Let's keep running. Let's get it, and keep advertising. All right, let's do it.